Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to win Carousel on the TFT game. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open your Riot client. And of course, if you have it already, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go to and open whatever browser you're using. Once you open it, go and type and download Riot client. Sorry, client, and hit the enter button. And of course, you can just go here and actually download this from here. And once it downloaded, install it and then open it up with as I show you from here, and just go and open it up. Of course, for me, it's already opened. And once you opened it, you will find yourself with this screen, which is going to be your home screen or main screen on the right client. Here, you'll find your games that's already installed. Of course, as you can see here, I already have the TFT installed. For you, if it's not installed, you can just go down. And in here, you'll find all their games. You can just go and click on the TFT and download it or open it up. For me, it's already downloaded. For you, of course, you can download this on your Android, on your iPhone. You can just go into your app store, play store, or even if you're in your PC, you can just go and play it on the League of Legends game. Of course, once you have it, you can just go and open it up. For me, it's already opened and already into a game. For you, of course, you'll have to go and open your account and of course hop into a game. And once you do that, of course, you will have to win or something. But what we care about in this tutorial in how to win the carousel. Of course, what is the carousel? It's the circle, which is this shared draft, how to win whatever champion you want. So let's just wait until we get this carousel and I'm coming back to you. And of course, here we are at this carousel. So let's say an example, you would like to win whatever champion you want. So if you want to win it, of course, first of all, you will have the circle. So make sure to go ahead of your champion that you would like to wait for, and make sure once the circle done, go into it. As you, let's pretend that there is a circle and we would like Draven. So the circle will close in 1 second as an example. So just go ahead of our champion because it will turn into us and just go and take it once the circle goes off. So that's how you actually win carousel whenever you want or however you want. Even if you want like the item, you can go for it if you don't want the champion. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.